Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all high protein breakfast ideas slash recipes that you can make in the summer season and any season for the best protein intake. Now, if you're trying to lose weight, the most essential kind of mineral for your body is protein. You need as much as protein that you can have, so start your day with high protein breakfast. Now, it is proven in a study that eating at least 30 grams of protein at breakfast can help you feel satisfied and also feel less hungry later in the entire day. So have protein rich breakfast to lose weight fast. So the first breakfast recipe for high protein intake is Sofit soya milk with one fruit. Now Sofit soya milk is very readily available in the market, or you can also buy any soya milk. If you can make the soya milk at home, it's the best thing as it will be the most organic thing. Now, along with Sofit soya milk, you will have one fruit of your own choice. You can have any seasonal fruit that you like. You can have cherries, you can have berries, you can have apple that best suits you. The second most delicious and best high protein intake breakfast is oats overnight with chia seeds. Now, overnight oats recipe is already uploaded on my channel. The link to it will be in the description box below. You can check it out from there as well. The recipe contains all the rich nutrient ingredients, that is chia seeds, that is best for fiber intake, protein intake, calcium, and as well as reducing your weight. Then rolled oats, curd, again the best thing for calcium intake, honey, which is a good source of protein as well, cinnamon, good for weight loss, and that's your recipe for overnight oats. Now the complete video for the recipe is in the description box below. Check it out. This will give you a very good amount of protein intake and help you reduce weight fast very easily. Now the third recipe is my personal favorite as it is so rich in protein that it gives you the entire amount of protein you need in the entire day. That is banana almond cream shake. Now to prepare this shake, all you need is one whole banana, skim milk half cup. You can use any milk, that is almond, soya, coconut or cashew milk as well, or you can use the normal skim milk also. 10 almonds, and along with that you will need 1 scoop of protein powder. Now you can have any protein powder. I personally like the Oziva's protein powder. It is the best and organic in each and every form. So 1 scoop of that will work wonders. The link to buy it is in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Now, along with that, you'll need 1 handful of ice. Blend all these things in a blender and your banana almond cream shake is prepared. It is so nutritious and so protein rich that you'll love having this and you'll not at all feel hungry for at least next 6 to 7 hours. I can guarantee you that, and hence a good amount of weight loss with protein. Now the fourth breakfast idea for protein rich content is sandwich with paneer slices or cottage cheese slices. Now, preparing the sandwich is very easy. All you need is 2 slices of brown bread along with some vegetables like cucumber, tomato, onion, or you can also use capsicum if you like so in your sandwiches. Along with that, you will need 70 to 80 grams of paneer slash cottage cheese. Prepare a grilled sandwich or the normal raw sandwich with it, and you'll love having this breakfast idea as well. It is so nutritious and the paneer contains lots of protein in it. Now if you like tofu, you can also replace your paneer with tofu if you like so. The last protein breakfast idea is the typical Indian breakfast, that is Moong Dal Cheela. Now Moong Dal contains high amount of protein intake, hence it is best for breakfast and also easy to digest and nutritious in each and every form. Moong Dal Cheela is very easy to prepare at home. There are lots of recipes on the YouTube channels as well, so you can check it out from there and prepare it in the most healthiest form as well. And to it, do not forget to add at least half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. Ghee in the breakfast is so essential and so good that you cannot skip this thing as it provides you with the glowing skin and lots of other health benefits that are inescapable. Now, to buy anything from this particular breakfast recipes video, the link to it will be in the description box below. You can check it out from there as well. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the recipes, and I'll revert back to you as soon as possible. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload or post a video on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram as I am very active with my stories, sharing each and every meal of my day. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay happy and stay fit always.